Hello guys, I'm Arun and you're watching Mr. Scott. In the previous video, I told you the easiest way to make your thumbnail and intro. And at the time, lots of people have to work hard to make banner. Then guys, I have an easiest way to create your channel banner. After starting this video, if you are a creator, then I will suggest you to download the Canva app. This is the app that you can customize your all the thing. You can easily make your thumbnail, banner, intro from the sites. First of all, you have to open the Google and search the Canva banner. And then open the Canva site. After open the site, you can start your edit banner now by clicking this start designing. Continue with your browser. I'm already downloading the Canva application. That's why it has started in this app. And when it starts, you can see the many options to create your banner. If you want to make a gaming banner, then simply search the gaming. After open this page, you can choose your favorite theme and open it. Open this page, you can edit your all the theme. I want to change this text as Mr. Scott, and then it's look perfect. You can simply download it from the download icon above and download it, and your design is prepared.